Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have got something really special, the newly released Hot Wheels Porsche 904 Carrera GTS from 2024. Let's take a look at the packaging first. Hot Wheels has done a fantastic job with this one. It got the classic Porsche logo and the sleek aerodynamic lines of the 904 Carrera GTS on full display. But before we get into the details, let's start with the unboxing. And here it is, the Hot Wheels Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. This casting looks fantastic. The attention to the detail is really impressive, especially considering the scale. Let's start with the paint job. It's a striking metal flake silver with the blue striping on the hood. Porsche logo on the sides, 86 on the hood, rear and sides, and the Carrera GTS badging on the rear. How cool is that? The Porsche 904 Carrera GTS is a legend in its own right. First introduced in 1964, this car was designed for racing and is known for its lightweight, fiberglass body and exceptional handling. It's a real gem from the golden era of motorsports. What makes it special is not just its performance, but also its rarity and its status as one of the Porsche's most iconic models. And the rolling wheels are smooth and reliable. This is definitely a model you will want to take for a spin on your Hot Wheels track. As expected, it rolls smoothly and looks amazing in action. The weight distribution feels just right. The Hot Wheels Porsche 904 Carrera GTS is a fantastic addition to any collection. Whether you're a fan of classic cars, such as Porsche, or just Hot Wheels in general, this diecast is definitely worth picking up. The attention to the detail, the striking color, and the historical significance of the 904 make it a standout diecast car. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what other Hot Wheels diecast car you would like to see reviewed. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.